Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I'm educating the public how to withdraw money from PayPal to Mpesa. Welcome to PayPal mobile service with Mpesa. Yeah, this is a way to withdraw your cash from a PayPal account. From PayPal account to, the first thing is your session is log out, so log in again. So we will log in. After we log in, we will be good to go. Yeah, we will log in. Yeah, it's taking some time to load. This is a process how to withdraw money from PayPal to Mpesa. Welcome to it shows top up with PayPal and withdraw from PayPal or top up from PayPal. So we'll go withdraw from PayPal. When you go from PayPal, we see the account has available balance. The initial PayPal account is logged in somewhere here. We can see it. We can see the balance is saying let us look. Yeah, this is the last transaction. Payment from complex writing solution. Somebody sent me $142. Once they sent that is what we will be withdrawing. So once we come here, we say withdraw the 142. We say continue to withdraw. Once withdraw, it says amount will be debited into your account in the next 2 hours. This transaction will be processed. And apart from that, in my phone I will be receiving. I will be told to confirm. The fixed exchange rate is at $97.74. We confirm, so that I may receive it into whole amount, $13,879. Once we press confirm, that is when we will be able to get it. You say, done. Your withdrawal request has been successfully recorded and will be processed within the next 2 hours. You will receive an SMS notification once the funds reach your Mpesa. You can check the status of the transaction in the history page. Thank you for using the service. Already in my phone, I have received the text telling me that your withdrawal of $142 is being processed. You should be received $13,800 in the next 2 hours. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me here in this recording. We can confirm since we should have a reflection of in the Gmail, where we'll find that PayPal will have sent a transaction. Yeah, they have said you have authorized payment to Dunes, and I will be able to receive cash in the next 2 hours. This is the description, the withdrawal transaction. It is coming to this phone number. The phone number is 0797 blah 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 something. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me. And that is the process of how to withdraw from PayPal to Mpesa. Thank you.